Alright, so this parcel arrived a while ago, so I'm gonna check out what's inside. Oh, this is so satisfying. Alright, enough of that. Oh, Jesus, it's fucking heavy as shit. Holy shit. Is it what I think it is? Dear KSI, at 100,000 we thought, can it be? Holy fucking shit. Here we go, baby. Here we go. For fuck's sake.
The way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed himself and family. By any means, your enemies, my enemies, we wet them up like a canteen. The yellow tape surrounds the face, don't have a face, so now you late, open the gates. Great, eliminate like a lemonade. Hey, young boy had to penetrate. Face, young boy done caught a case. Bang, now we're mama living with the pain.
Bruh. One in like 50 people have this. Mad. I think I can comfortably say I'm the only black guy in the world that has this. On a real note, thank you guys so much for allowing me to have this and allowing me to brag to other YouTubers how much more superior I am compared to them. Hey Simon! Just like to let you know that I'm better than you.
Okay.
I just like to let you know.
Fuck you, JJ.
I will. Man, I can't wait to do naughty things to you, baby. Are you gonna fuck me? I'm gonna fuck you so hard. Oh, baby. Anyway, thank you guys for watching Madness. And yeah, being boy KSI GWT. Mwah! I'll see you guys in a bit.